Rose is here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about something that truly matters. So, once you film your footage, the next step is editing. There are many user-friendly editing software options available. Both are free and paid. Editing allows you to piece together your shoots, add music, and create a polished final product. Do not be afraid to experiment with different style until you will find what works for you. So, pag natapos ng mag-film, ang susunod ay editing. Maraming libre at may bayad na software na pwede mong gamitin para pagsamahin ang iyong shoots. Lagyan ng musika at gawing pulido ang iyong video. Subukan gumamit ng iba't ibang style hanggat makikita mo kung ano yung bagay sa'yo. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!